In today's race to build AI and hyperscale data centers, precision, speed, and control are no longer optional. Every delay impacts revenue, data center capacity, and competitive advantage. But delivering modern data center infrastructure has become increasingly difficult. Cost, schedule, and performance data are often spread across disconnected systems, spreadsheets, and teams, making forecasts and project performance harder to trust. As facilities, power, cooling, utilities, and support infrastructure become more complex and power constraints intensify, forecasting loses accuracy, reporting slows, and decision-making becomes reactive. Project teams spend valuable time manually reconciling data instead of managing performance, identifying risks, and keeping projects moving forward. Contruent Enterprise changes that by bringing cost, schedule, and performance together in a single system of record for project controls, purpose-built for complex capital programs. With real-time visibility across projects and portfolios, teams gain accurate forecasting, earlier variance detection, and greater confidence in project performance. Cost and schedule stay aligned automatically, eliminating manual reconciliation and reducing delays caused by fragmented reporting and disconnected workflows. Standardized project controls, automated workflows, and integrated reporting help organizations scale governance consistently across hyperscale and multi-regional programs. Executives, project control teams, and stakeholders all operate from a single source of truth, enabling faster decisions, improved cost certainty, and more predictable delivery outcomes. Contruent Enterprise helps organizations move from reactive reporting to proactive project control, delivering complex data center infrastructure with greater speed, accuracy, and control. Ready to bring greater speed, visibility, and control to your data center programs? Learn more about Contruent Enterprise today.